Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down, tap on About Phone and choose device name. Then type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. When you're ready, tap on OK and then select OK in this pop-up. As you can see after that, the name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!